Hey guys, this is a series of pictures taken from my DeviantArt page, and it's about the Batmobile Mobile Repair Truck. I call it Batmobile Mobile Repair Unit, the BMRU. This is not found in any comic that I know of. It's my original idea that since Batman usually ruins a lot of his Batmobiles, I thought, well, how about an old custom Wayne Heavy Industries prototype hauler, remote piloted, robotic, computer-based mobile repair truck. So it retrieves, diagnoses, and repairs any Bat vehicle in need of such service in the field, and offers Batman a platform to dock and launch a one-man copter. This original idea was inspired by my chagrin at the repeated fact that Batman blew up wounded Batmobiles. So here's a front look of it. Look at it. The side view, here's the copter with Batman. I found this at a thrift store, this base. Here's a Batmobile coming out of the back of it. Here it is in the cradle. This is all robotics. Repair it. Here's the top, the docking. There's a grapnel here to hold the copter. Another look at the repair bay of the Batmobile. It's a 1/24th Corgi Batmobile. Here's the custom Batcopter I made for it. Here is the repair bay. These parts are taken from various sources, including sewing machine I took apart. Here it is in stealth mode with all the lights shut off. There's no actual lighting. I added those post-processing. This is the inside of the roof, or the under part of the roof, with a diagnostic grid and a light. So this is supposed to detect the needed systems that externally need repair. Obviously, you'd have a computer interface for the internals. This is some of the onboard robotics. You can see this is a clear sewing machine part. More details on the inside. I like these sewing machine parts because they're pretty unique looking. So here's the Batmobile after it's being repaired, deployed, and in this case, it can be deployed to rendezvous with Batman in the field, or set on auto return to any location like the Bat Cave or Satellite Cave, Wayne Tower, Secret Bunker, Oracle Watchtower, the Bat Subway track, anywhere. Some air deployment field. And there's a look at it with the Batcopter on the top. Batman in there. So there you go. Batmobile Mobile Repair Unit. I'm